heart of India, nestled between lush green hills, was the village of Sundargram. The village was known for its vibrant fields and hard-working people. However, for the past few months, Sundargram had been suffering from a severe drought. The fields were parched, and the wells had run dry. Children like Neil and Meera, who loved to play by the riverside, found the riverbeds cracked and dry. The villagers gathered every morning, looking at the clear blue sky, hoping for rain, but day after day, the sun beat down relentlessly. Amidst the despair, there was still hope. The village elders often gathered under the old banyan tree to discuss ways to conserve water and pray for rain. The village priest, Pandit Ji, led prayers and rituals to appease the rain gods. Neil and Meera, curious and eager to help, approached Pandit Ji. Pandit Ji, how can we bring rain to our village? Meera asked. Pandit Ji smiled and said, the rain will come when the time is right, but until then, we must do our part. Help conserve water and plant more trees to invite the rain clouds. Inspired, Neil and Meera decided to rally their friends to conserve water and plant saplings around the village. Neil, Meera, and their friends went door to door, educating the villagers on water conservation. They encouraged everyone to reuse water and avoid wastage. With their enthusiasm, they inspired the villagers to come together to plant saplings around the village. The villagers worked tirelessly, digging holes and planting saplings, hoping that their efforts would please the rain gods. As days turned into weeks, the saplings began to take root, and a sense of unity and purpose spread throughout Sundargram. One morning, as the villagers gathered under the banyan tree, they noticed a change in the air. The breeze was cooler, and the sky was covered with dark clouds. The villagers exchanged hopeful glances, whispering about the possibility of rain. Neil and Meera watched the sky eagerly. Do you think it will rain today? Neil asked, excitement bubbling in his voice. Meera nodded, I feel it too. Our hard work will not go in vain. As the day progressed, the clouds grew thicker, and the air was filled with anticipation. The villagers waited anxiously, their eyes fixed on the sky. In the late afternoon, the first raindrop fell on Neil's nose. He looked up, eyes wide with amazement, as the sky opened up and the rain began to pour. The villagers cheered, dancing and celebrating the long-awaited arrival of rain. Children splashed in the puddles, their laughter echoing through the village. Neil and Meera joined in the celebration, their hearts filled with joy and gratitude. The rain rejuvenated the fields and refilled the wells, bringing life back to Sundargram. The villagers watched as the saplings they had planted soaked up the rain, promising a greener future. With the arrival of the rain, the villagers realized the importance of working together and respecting nature. They understood that while they couldn't control the weather, they could take steps to protect and nurture their environment. Neil and Meera, along with their friends, became the village heroes, their efforts in conservation and tree planting praised by all. They learned that perseverance and unity could overcome any challenge. As Sundargram flourished once more, the villagers continued their efforts to conserve water and care for the environment. The village elders, inspired by the children's initiative, established a village committee to ensure that water conservation and tree planting remained a priority. The story of Sundargram and its first rain after the drought became a tale of inspiration and hope for neighboring villages. It reminded everyone of the power of community action and the importance of living in harmony with nature. To celebrate the return of rain and the prosperity it brought, the villagers organized an annual festival of rain. It was a day filled with music, dance, and festivities where people from nearby villages gathered to share in the joy. Neil and Meera were invited to lead the festival, their story serving as a reminder of the power of determination and community spirit. The festival became an opportunity to spread awareness about environmental conservation and the importance of protecting natural resources. Years passed, and the village of Sundargram continued to thrive. The fields remained lush, and the wells were always full. The story of the first rain after the drought was passed down through generations, inspiring children to care for their environment. Neil and Meera grew up to be leaders in their community, always advocating for sustainable practices and conservation efforts. Their legacy lived on, encouraging future generations to respect and protect the natural world. The story of Sundargram and its first rain teaches us that with unity, perseverance, and respect for nature, we can overcome any challenge. It reminds us of the importance of community action and the power of working together to create a better, more sustainable future. The villagers of Sundargram learned that by taking responsibility for their environment and supporting each other, they could bring about positive change and ensure a prosperous future for all. If you like the story, then subscribe to the channel for more interesting stories.